everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. I know y'all didn't think we were done with the dump cakes, did you? Look, I'm excited about doing this one. I have been waiting to do this blackberry dump cake. When I was little, you guys, we used to pick fresh blackberries and my mom would make the most amazing blackberry cobbler. So that's why I'm excited to do this one. Unlike the other ones, I'm not going to be using any cinnamon because I want to mimic the blackberry cobbler my mom would fix, and she didn't add cinnamon nor did she add brown sugar. So today we're just going to be using the 2 cans of the 21-ounce blackberry fruit filling or pie filling, topping, whatever you want to call it. We have 1 box of the Duncan Hines perfectly moist butter golden cake mix. You guys, I also have 2 sticks of butter, but rather than me, I started slicing it up like this, like I did for the other dump cakes. You know how you slice it up. And then I decided I just wanted to try grating 2 sticks of butter, and once I grate them, they get soft really quick, so I stuck them in the refrigerator until I'm ready to add them to the dump cake. So I wanted to see if I preferred to slice the butter or if I like doing it, grating it. Okay, so I have 2 sticks of unsalted butter that's grated and it's in the refrigerator. And like I said, I'm gonna pull them out once when I get ready to top the dump cake. Now you guys know I have already thoroughly washed my nasty hands. Don't be in the kitchen with nasty hands because that's just nasty. And if you go in the kitchen and you just get to working and you've not washed your hands, they nasty. Don't do that, okay? So I have washed my hands thoroughly, and I've also washed off the top of these nasty cans. Y'all, wash off these cans. You already know what I'm gonna say if you've been here. They nasty. They've been on the back of them tractor trailers. They've been in the warehouses, in the grocery store. People been putting their nasty hands all over the top of them. All them little critters and rodents and little insects been crawling all on the top of them and licking on the cans. Y'all know that's nasty too. Y'all better wash these cans, okay? As usual or per usual, I have my extra regular granulated sugar here because I want it sweet, okay? Usually these pie fillings are not sweet enough. Y'all know blackberries are tart anyway, so I have me some extra sugar. Now if you don't want extra sugar, you don't have to use extra sugar, okay? It's whatever you like. But leave me alone if I want to use my sugar, okay? I'm using extra sugar. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. Alright, now y'all know I'm going to taste this, what's this stuff called? This blackberry pie filling, just to make sure it's not sweet enough. But y'all know, I already know it's not sweet, but we're going to taste it. Also, I have, I went on and greased the bottom of this 9 by 13 casserole dish with butter. That's what you see that's already in the bottom. So I've greased it with butter. Again, it's the 9 by 13 casserole dish. My oven is preheated. It's currently preheating to 350 degrees. Now let me taste this to see. Y'all know this is not sweet. Y'all already know. Like I said, we're going to need some sugar. Ooh, but that's getting ready to be so good. Oh my goodness, that blackberry. Sweet, sweet childhood memory of my mama. These blackberry cobblers and strawberry cobblers. Now, some people also like lemon. If you wanted to, you could do the lemon cake mix on top if you wanted to have a little bit of that lemon flavor. But again, that's not what we want to do. I don't want any lemon, but you can add lemon. And you can add whatever it is you want to add. Close your mouth. Leave me and my sugar alone. Okay? Alright. Thank you. Again, totally not necessary, but honey, I need the extra sugar. Now, we're going to add our cake mix. Let me make sure. Let me see some. Wait a minute, y'all. Just want to make sure I've added enough sugar. Okay. I think we're good. Add your cake mix on top. Like I always say, I don't know why I like to go around the edge first, but I just do. And then fill in the middle. Ooh. Oh, it's gonna be so good. And what that butter is gonna do is gonna create like a, it's gonna make a crust on the top, y'all. It's gonna make it like a pie crust. So don't press it down. I'm just trying to get it pretty even. Make sure all of my blackberries are covered. Okay, now I need to get my butter. I love these little quick, easy desserts. And those of you, again, who do not and will not make a pound cake, I know you all appreciate these quick desserts too. Okay. All right. So let me grab my butter. And I'm getting ready to see if I like it this way or if I feel like, girl, you just should have sliced up that butter. But I'm hoping this is going to be easier just to kind of sprinkle it on the top. You're getting ready to see. You want to make sure that everything is covered with butter, okay? Because that's what's going to make your crust. All of this cake mix needs to have some butter. Well, you guys asked for the shredded butter. No, I think it's just as easy or easier just to do the sliced. Just go and slice your butter up. Because see, now I have to deal with what's left on my little silicone mat here. So, listen. And then the thinner it is, the quicker it begins to soften. So don't shred that butter up, honey. Just go on and slice the butter up and call it a day. Okay? I think we have enough. Looks fluffy on the top though. It's pretty. waste your time doing that. All right, 350 degrees. I'll set my timer for 45 minutes to start off with. It may have to bake about an hour, we'll see. But once I take it out, I will let you know exactly how long it baked. You guys, we baked for 55 minutes. Look how pretty and golden brown that is. Listen to the rumble of the blackberries. This is going to be so good. I forgot that's where I had put it.
What is this?
Stuff.
I don't want no stuff.
What you mean you don't want no stuff? Don't listen. Sir. Where is... Do you have your wider saucer?
No,
I
what?
have the little small one. Your wider saucer. Your wider one. The one that we normally use.
I don't want no stuff.
Yes, you do. Baby, it's just another dump cake.
Okay, what kind is it?
Blackberry. Blackberry.
What did you make? What kind did you make?
What you mean? It's blackberry. Oh, and y'all listen. Oh, it is time. But this what you want to hear, y'all. Listen. Hear that?
What's that, a cookie crust?
So you need that crust to be. That's why you have to make sure you have that butter over all of.
I want a little bit of your blackberry.
Oh, well, I'll help you, honey, because listen.
I'm changing my ways.
This is exciting to me.
Where you get the blackberries from?
It's a blackberry pie filling.
Oh. So it don't have no seeds in it?
You know what? Let me taste it.
Yeah, you taste it. I'm gonna proceed with caution, fam. I'm gonna proceed with caution. This y'all know me. If it don't catch my eye right out the gate.
Well, it has seeds.
It has seeds.
Just taste it then. That's good. Oh, the crust is so buttery.
Let me taste the crust then. I don't need to taste
Baby,
it.
taste a little bit of the pie filling. Don't do that. Any butter.
That's a good crust.
Taste it.
It tastes like jelly.
You know, it looked like jelly.
Okay.
Yeah, it has seeds.
It's buttery.
See, look.
I can taste the butter. Is that a seed?
Because it's blackberry. It's good, ain't it? My mama used to fix blackberry coffee.
We couldn't afford it.
Blackberry pie. You silly.
We just couldn't. One time we got outside, all the blackberries was pink.
You gonna dump it in the floor.
It's a dump cake.
See.
That's good.
This is good, y'all. I don't have to do a thumbnail.
That's good. Have a different taste to it.
That is so good.
That's a good crust. I'm gonna have to say that.
'Cause
That's a
it's-
very good crust.
It's the
That's
butter.
what makes me.
It's the wait a minute, y'all. With the crust, this is the cake mix. It was the butter golden cake mix too. So that probably makes it extra buttery. That is good. And I had started to put some more oatmeal on the top, but I said no, let me do this one without oatmeal. Because it didn't have a blackberry oatmeal. Got seeds in my mouth, y'all. But I really think the blueberry or the strawberry, was it a strawberry? It would have been fine. But anyway, I just decided not to. What'd you say, babe?
I just flossed my teeth.
Well, you had to floss them again, honey. Move to the,
I'll be one of those people.
to the right a little bit, babe.
I'll be one of those people that eat around the filling.
The crust.
Mm-hmm. I'll just eat the crust.
Oh no, you said it right. Eat around the filling. You missed it. Thank you. Well, you guys, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, please consider doing so and turning on that notification bell.
By hitting the nosy. Hey y'all, one thing about me, I'm a creature of habit. And I know what strawberries and the other kinds, apple and peach, I'm familiar with that stuff growing up. But blackberries, I didn't know blackberries.
Y'all didn't go blackberry picking?
I don't know blackberries that grew up. No, there were no blackberry things.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Y'all have some?
We used to go blackberry picking.
Where'd you pick them at?
We used to go up there near the airport.
There was an airport where y'all live?
You silly.
So that wasn't something that so I'm not a creature of I have to proceed with caution and slow.
You never really ate blackberry.
No, I never really ate blackberries. So
That's my dear. It's just
did the snakes eat the blackberries? It said snakes was eating those. I was scared to go like in the snake area.
honey. It's okay.
Didn't the snakes eat the blackberries, people? They were snake berries. That's what they were. That's what they were called. Snake berries. That's why we didn't eat them.
We had blackberries, not snake berries.
Well, the same thing. Don't the snake ate the blackberries?
Leg.
Huh?
That's why you look down at my leg.
I can look at your leg. That's my leg.
Anyway,
I'm looking at her leg.
thank you guys so much for watching.
Credit. Come up your leg.
You silly.
So guys, was there a difference between the snake berries and the blackberries?
Were the snake berries, were they red? Were those the red ones? I don't know, baby. We had blackberries.
I'm saying the blackberries was the snake berries. That's
No.
what we did. Okay then, we didn't mess with the blackberries because they was the snake berries.
You was just so deprived. Bless your heart.
No, I wasn't deprived. I had a fun life when I was little.
You did. Thank you guys so much for watching. What you looking at over there?
I'm looking outside the window at somebody else.
Being nosy?
I love to be nosy. My eyes can look
nosy. We already look forward to you joining us again
next time. Bye.
Bye.